wonderful.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're doing another mystery box challenge. This was supposed to happen back in August, I believe. July it was supposed to happen. It's finally happening. We've been accumulating gifts for a while. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving some gifts to Aditya, like giving him a mystery box, and he's also going to be giving me a mystery box. There is no budget to this mystery box in particular. I think he spent way more money than I have. Mine is pretty like budget mein here for the most part. I just told him let's stick to like 15 products, like 15 items. So that's what we've done. I'm going to make sure to link other mystery box challenges in the description box below because it's a series that I've been doing here on my channel. So do check it out. And yeah, let's get started. Pehle, you are going to be opening your mystery box. So everything jo maine pick out kiya hai Aditya ke liye, he's going to be opening, and then after that I'll open everything that he's picked out for me. I am very nervous and I know ki Aditya's mystery box is better than me, so just letting you know, please don't shade me in the comments, and no saying ki iska mystery box better tha, iska mystery box better tha. Okay, so let's go.
Rika gifts. It's from Bombay Shaving Company.
सिर्फ डब्बा है उसका, but okay. So this is like a
Everyday essentials.
this is a kit that I've made for you, like a grooming kit almost.
Ooh, okay, Colgate Visible White.
Because he has yellow teeth.
My favorite deo.
Yeah, which he's been crying कि मुझे deo चाहिए तो.
That is correct. Beard growth oil.
And hair wax because Aditya needs to learn how to set his hair. It's high time.
I am too dependent on Lush salon for that.
Which is Shikhar's salon, by the way, if you didn't know.
And non-slip eyebrow trimmer.
So Aditya keeps borrowing my eyebrow razor, so I thought I'll just give him his own. He also grooms his eyebrows, right? Which is a good thing, very good, sorry. So yeah, this is like your first gift. बहुत ही ज़्यादा unimpressed you see from the first.
नहीं, ये तो main है. ये तो रोज use करने वाले हैं.
Okay, next. ये वाला खोलो. क्या लग रहा है?
कपड़ा लग रहा है.
खोलो. Oh, by the way, कपड़ों से याद है. So, as we mentioned कि जुलाई में ये mystery box करना था. ये जो अभी हुडी पहना ना आदित्य ने, वो भी mystery box का part था, but इतने महीने हो गए. I had kind of given up the hope कि कभी नहीं होने वाला mystery box. तो मैं धीरे धीरे एक एक item देने लग गई कि ये लिए तेरे लिए, ये तेरे लिए. So,
और जो तेरा phone cover है वो भी mystery box का ही part
that is true. The phone cover that I use, that you guys keep asking where it's from Amazon, and it was supposed to be a part of the mystery box. Anyway, go on.
Finally. So, black and white, which I don't have. Sorry, I'm late. I didn't want to come.
Backstory, 1 second. So Aditya loves graphic tees.
Loves.
So got him some.
How you doing?
And this one says, read.
Sorry, I'm late. I didn't want to come.
Yeah, Aditya's always late, so this was just perfect. And he also doesn't want to go like anywhere, so this is like perfect for him.
Perfect.
Next.
More clothes.
Which you need.
Oh. I have a black and white hoodie set now.
Yes, this is Avengers, which is
Avengers.
Aditya's favorite.
Marvel and Avengers. Black
Yes.
and white. Done. Sorted. अब नया hoodie लेने का जरूरत नहीं.
That's the thing. So he has like एकदम ही गिने चुने, like literally you can count on your fingers उतने कपड़े, and he's like happy with those, which is good for you. But so it just made sense for me to give you more clothes.
Ooh, is it a turtleneck?
So Aditya loves turtlenecks, which is why
I hate turtlenecks. I can't wear turtlenecks.
Yeah, which is why I got you one. It looks nice. You have to try.
Got me one or got it for yourself?
This I don't have a white one, so I can use this one too.
I do need clothing. I don't usually wear it.
Open. This is going to be the best one.
Oh shit! Perfect.
So he keeps crying कि गंजी नहीं है मेरे पास, गंजी नहीं है. So I got him like a pack of 5.
Pack of 5 है ये. Class. हो गया भाई, 1 साल का काम हो गया.
अच्छा ठीक है, ये वाला gift is the one that I bought like 6-8 months ago. So it was trendy तभी. It's not anymore, but it's okay. Just go on and open it.
Disposable mask.
So these are matte black.
Oh yeah.
So tabhi they were like a new thing
thing.
tabhi. So I got a set and then now everyone has matte black masks.
ठीक है ना.
But you don't.
I don't.
Yeah, so you can still use them.
I think you should have given me this also.
Pehle hi na. So these are great for layering if you want, like underneath your cotton mask or even under N95.
When did you go and buy this?
I didn't. I got them online. That too from Amazon.
Glares.
So again another thing, आदि को constantly हम कहीं भी जाते हैं ना, उसको glares नहीं होते हैं. Try कर ले. I hope you like this. And his face is very like small, you know. So trying to find glares that look good on his face is difficult. And buying them online was probably not a good idea. We'll see in just a second. It looks nice. Look there. है ना? Actually अच्छे और मेरे पे भी अच्छे लगेंगे.
काय चल्ले? अल्लू अर्जुन लग रहा है.
Shut up.
Yes. LED lights.
Sadi loves jagamaga lights. Now my idea behind this is ki now that he has his own room, he can use these in your like underneath your bed.
Yes.
Or something like that. And it comes in like I think 15 different colors that you can change. Amazon se liya hai maine ye. You can put it behind your TV also if you want. You can do lots of different things with this one.
Nice.
So this is for your new room.
Thanks. Next. कंट्रोलर कवर बहुत खराब हो रहे हैं वो सब वाइट कंट्रोलर्स है ना पूरा.
For his PS5 controllers, matte black again.
I need black because the controllers are white.
I think you'll like this one. So basically,
वो सर पे पहनने वाला GoPro का. Oh.
So Aditya loves like tech and gear and just all of those things. So this you can put your GoPro on it and you can wear this on your head. You'll wear that.
अभी तो निकालूंगा और उधर रखूंगा full time. 24 hours live streaming.
Shut up. क्या लग रहा है?
So because of that you'll get to see Adi Cam from a different perspective.
True.
Adi Cam GoPro version.
Nice.
Finally. What I wanted since the longest time.
Yeah. एक बुक तो आई थिंक एक बुक तो बनता है हर मिस्ट्री बॉक्स में देना.
आराम से.
बेस्ट गिफ्ट्स एवर बुक्स.
सिर्फ एक.
तूने मेरे मिस्ट्री बॉक्स में बुक्स डाली है. आई लव बुक्स.
ओ वो सिपर बॉटल.
So मैंने आदित्य का तोड़ दिया था सिपर बॉटल. So I got him a new one in matte black. It's actually very cool looking.
Whoa!
Marvel. No, Captain America.
Captain America. Class.
So as I mentioned earlier, आदित्य का नया रूम है खुद का. तो उसके लिए कुछ तो मैंने दिया है. देख.
Hello?
Yes, open.
Are you serious?
Show them what it is.
It's an Iron Man LED.
Okay, so we're done with my mystery box that I made for Aditya. Now it's time for me to open Aditya's mystery box that he's made for me. Please वो लेके आओ पास और सबको दिखाओ कितने बड़े बड़े गिफ्ट्स है और कितने ज्यादा गिफ्ट्स है.
ये तो सिर्फ एक है.
ये पूरा भरा हुआ है और ऐसा एक और है. एंड कुछ तो रूम में और एक कुछ तो छुपा के रखा है जो बाद में आएगा. I'm excited to open it, but I'm also scared.
Why are you scared?
Because my mystery box was not good enough.
Who said it was not good?
I thought. So we have some kitchen towels because I don't have any kitchen towels.
So इसमें एक थोड़ा सा बैकस्टोरी ये भी है कि ideally फ्रेंड्स मिस्ट्री बॉक्स जो हुआ था ना.
Yeah.
उसमें ये था.
Okay.
बट ये लाना भूल गए हम लोग वो दिन पे. तो मैंने बोला
अब ये मेरा mystery box. Nice, cute. ये ड्राई शैम्पू है ये. I had told you once, you remembered? So ड्राई शैम्पू खत्म हो गया था बहुत पहले. और मैंने आदित्य को बोला था थोड़ा स्लाइड.
मिल रहा नहीं था ये कहीं पे.
शायद, I don't know. So I have some dry shampoo. Thank you so much. I'm actually even running out right now. This is my favorite one. मैंने खरीद लिया था eventually because I thought कि he must have not picked up on my clues, but he did.
I don't even know what this is. Really. Yeah, this is an important gift.
What is this? Table lamp.
For your room.
For my room.
Because you don't have a yellow light in the room.
Yeah, not this house. We're talking about like my house, mom dad के घर पे मेरे जो bedroom है ना, उसमें I don't have yellow light. So रात को I have to like when I'm like reading a book or trying to unwind, I have to sit in like that white light. I have yellow light now. Lavender color का ये.
Yes.
Oh, cute. Mansi triggered. Very cute. Thank you so much. I actually needed this.
Most of my gifts are such that you actually need.
I know, those are the best kind of gifts. This is so cute. We have some Fujifilm for my Polaroid, and this is in like the pink color. Oh my god, pink color ki film. Where can I use this? Are we going somewhere exciting? Not as of now. I hope so. I'll use this for like something special. This is so cute. Thank you. I usually just go for the white film because it's cheaper. But thanks for the expensive film. I don't need this at all. Why would you give this to me? He's given me an SD card. So Aditya thinks that I don't have enough SD cards.
You don't.
I have lots of SD cards. He always wants me to buy more SD cards. So he's given me another one. That too 128 GB.
Because you couldn't say no to this.
Okay, next. ये क्या है? Oh, so cute. We have a PopSocket. That too like a watercolor rainbow. This is so, and this is from PopSocket, like the original brand. They, by the way, make the best PopSockets ever. Like literally, अगर वो normal आप station वाले 100 rupees के ले रहे हो ना, stop it right now because वो 2 हफ्तों में तो पूरा टूट जाता है. इसको no matter how much you fidget, it's never going to break. So I'm gonna use this for sure.
It is expensive also. It goes for around 500 to 800 or even higher.
Okay.
But definitely
worth it. Yeah. I know what this is. I think I know what this is. है ना? It's a portable charger.
Yeah.
Clumsiness caught on camera. क्या भारी है यार ये? But एकदम ही अच्छा लग रहा है. हाँ, thank you. I need this. I'm gonna use this if I remember to charge it.
You do know you have to charge this as well, right?
Yeah, man. ये भी भारी है. क्या ये? Books. Let's see, कौन से. So have you like picked these out for me? Okay. So the first one says how to attract money. Okay. Then we have 100 ways to motivate yourself. How to stop worrying and start living. Get people to do what you want. Okay, so very like self-help kind of books. Thank you. Very nice. I can add these to my 2022 list. Are you done with your first book of the month or not? I'm done. Ooh, we have some snacks. I love snacks. Let's see क्या क्या है snacks में. काफी बड़ा snackable का डब्बा है ये. So we have some tangy tomato chickpea puffs. Nice. Berry lime zest. Naan khatai. Sorry. Then almond cookies. Makhana, my favorite. Bombay chaat masala makhana. Nutty trail mix. Peanut butter naan khatai. Wow, we should try that. Hey, what's this? Chocolate energy bar. This is so nice. Thank you so much. I anyway don't have any snacks at the moment, so.
You never have any snacks. You're always complaining. I don't have anything to eat. And if you give us something, this is not healthy. I can't eat it.
There's a kettle in here. So I constantly am like drinking hot water, warm beverages. I really like to have warm stuff. And मेरे घर पे भी actually same. I'm actually उसको घर पे लेके जाऊँगी because my dad also constantly like has hot water. So both of us can use this. Thank you. क्या ये?
July purchase है. This is a July purchase, like clearly.
It's an umbrella. So basically I wanted, like, I don't know if I've ever told you. Have I? I mean probably now that you've gotten it. So basically ऐसी टाइप के umbrellas Gossip Girl में वो लोग लेके घूमते थे. I'll use it. अभी बारिश का सीजन आ ही गया almost आ जाएगा. So this is so cute. I'll have like the cutest छाता ever. I love it. कहाँ से लिया? बोलना description.
Amazon links in the description.
हाँ वही. अच्छा Amazon से लिया है. Wait. Yes, I wanted this since a long time. This is much needed.
Much needed.
Shut up. So basically, this is a tripod for your cell phone. I don't have
It's
that.
a normal tripod, but it has a cell phone holder.
Oh.
This has a story behind it.
It's like a stuffed toy. Tell me. Tell everyone. I mean, I know.
So this toy was for 5,000 points at
Okay.
time zone.
Okay.
Okay, and in our card we had some 3,500 or 3,900 some points. So this was a 5,500 and we had some 3,900 points. Okay? So I had gone with my friend Harshal to our city, and that time we saw this. Okay, so I was like, it's a cute stuffed toy that I can use for the mystery box.
Okay.
I'm like, 1,500 points करे क्या? खेल के कमा ले अभी कि क्या करे? So we found one game where every time you played, like both of us had to play the game, but we would get around 150 to 160 tickets.
Okay.
So लेके एक गेम खेल के आ तो रहा 150 tickets, 10 बार खेलना पड़ेगा. करना है क्या 10 बार खेल के? So you were like, चल खेल देते देखते जो होगा जाएगा. So we sat there for around 1.5 hours. We played till we had 1,500 tickets, and then we went and got this.
Oh, okay. I mean, I didn't know this. So basically, the thing is that time zone is like our place. Like we love to go and play like arcade games, but we never really ever have enough points to like get like a stuffed toy. So finally, I have one. Thank you.
So are you ready for the biggest gift?
It's heavy. I know what it is. Oh my god! It's so cute. The colors are also so cute. We have a skateboard. I've been wanting a skateboard and wanting to learn how to skateboard for so long. I finally have a skate. I'm assuming these are helmet and knee pad and है ना? Yeah, I need that, bro. दे. Pink color का helmet है ना? हो गई. Of course, it has to be. This is so cute. क्या ये elbow pads और knee pads ना? Wow. Safety. This is my favorite gift. Okay, and that's it for today's video. We're gonna try to link all the products in the description box below, as many as we can. मेरे तो सब Amazon के हैं. That's it. I'm very very happy. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram. Follow Simba Lifestyle. Follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.